These are 10 stain removers that look almost identical on store shelves, but the difference between them is staggering. Some will erase a week-old grass stain like it never happened. Others are barely better than water. The stain remover market is a minefield. Companies spend millions on packaging and promises, but when Consumer Reports, Good Housekeeping, and independent labs actually put these products to the test, the results are shocking. Some of the most popular, most heavily marketed stain removers on the planet simply do not work. And some of the best ones cost less than $1 per use. So let's start with the stain removers you should stop buying immediately. Number 1 on the avoid list, laundry detergent sheets. Brands like True Earth and Earth Breeze have exploded in popularity, and the appeal is obvious. They're compact, plastic-free, and feel like a step forward for the planet. The problem is they barely clean your clothes. Consumer Reports put sheets from 6 major brands through rigorous testing, and the results were brutal. As a group, laundry sheets scored lower than the lowest scoring liquid detergents and pods. The top-rated sheet brand, Earth Breeze, earned an overall score of 29. True Earth scored an abysmal 11. For comparison, the top liquid detergent scored 84. Rich Handel, the chemist who oversees Consumer Reports laundry testing, put it plainly, they had lower performance as a group than the lowest performing liquid or pod detergents. They were especially terrible at removing coffee stains. Now look, the environmental argument has merit. The UN Environment Program says 430 million tons of plastic is produced every year, and a third of that is single-use. But if your detergent is barely better than water at removing stains, you're not really doing your laundry. You're just getting it wet. Number 2, Resolve Foaming Aerosol. The can says amazing. The test results say otherwise. In independent testing, Resolve Foaming Aerosol didn't do a great job on most stain types. It underperformed across the board, struggling with the exact stains you'd buy a stain remover to handle. For the price and the shelf space it takes up, there are dramatically better options. Number 3, generic spray-on stain removers. This one surprised a lot of people. Consumer Reports tested 6 spray-on stain removers from well-known brands, including Shout, Spray and Wash, and even a standard OxiClean formula. 5 of the 6 couldn't match the stain-removing power of the best everyday liquid detergents. Think about that. You're buying a specialized product, applying it directly to the stain, letting it soak, and getting worse results than if you just dabbed on some Tide and waited an hour. The one exception was OxiClean Max Force, which we'll get to shortly. But if you're grabbing a random spray bottle off the shelf without checking which formula it is, you're likely wasting your money. Number 4, undiluted bleach for spot treatment. This isn't a product so much as a habit, and it's one that ruins clothes every single day. When people see a stain on a white shirt, their instinct is to dab a little straight bleach right on the spot. Do not do this. Undiluted bleach doesn't just remove the stain, it attacks the fabric itself, leaving behind a permanent yellow mark and eventually eating a hole right through the material. Bleach must always be diluted before use. Always. Number 5, Fell's Naphtha Laundry Soap Bar. At least for general stain removal. This bar has been around since 1894, and it has a loyal following. It's genuinely good for hand-washing delicates and cleaning makeup brushes, but as a stain remover, it falls short. In testing, it only slightly lightened foundation, failed to remove ink, and left visible residue from ketchup stains, earning just 3 out of 5 stars. It's a fine soap, it's just not the stain fighter people think it is. Number 6, bar soap bleach pens marketed as instant stain erasers. These little click pens are everywhere near checkout counters, promising to vanish a stain in seconds without water. In practice, testers found they mostly just spread the stain around and left a bleached halo on colored fabrics. On white cotton, they did marginally better, but on anything with dye, the ring left behind was often worse than the original stain. They're a convenience item, not a real solution, and convenience is exactly what you're paying for here, not performance. Number 7, scented fabric fresheners that double as stain sprays. A wave of products has started marketing themselves as 2-in-1 solutions, promising to both freshen fabric and lift stains. Testers found these products excel at exactly one of those 2 jobs, and it's not the one you actually need. They mask odor reasonably well. Against an actual grease or food stain, they do almost nothing because the surfactant load in these formulas is diluted to keep the fragrance from overpowering the scent profile. If a bottle is trying to do 2 jobs at once, it's worth asking which one it's actually built for. If this bad habit saved you from making stains worse, hit the subscribe button for more wisdom on products to avoid. Number 8, club soda as a home remedy for wine and coffee. This one gets repeated so often it's practically folklore. Pour club soda on a wine stain and it'll lift right out, or so the story goes. Side-by-side testing against enzyme-based removers shows club soda does almost nothing beyond diluting the stain slightly and buying you a little time before it sets. It's not harmful, and it's better than doing nothing in the first 10 seconds after a spill, but treating it as an actual solution instead of a stopgap is how stains end up setting permanently before you reach for something that works. So that's 8 products and habits worth skipping. Now let's get into what actually works. Number 1, and the top pick across multiple testing organizations: OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover Spray. Consumer Reports calls this the best laundry stain remover they've tested. It removes body oil, dirt, salad dressing, grease, gravy, grass, and blood with just 5 minutes of soaking time. It obliterated BBQ sauce, chocolate pudding, and makeup stains that stumped other products. The key is that Max Force uses a combination of 3 different enzymes plus alcohol surfactants plus alkaline detergents. It's attacking stains from multiple angles simultaneously. At $5 to $7 for a 12-ounce bottle, it's an absolute bargain. Number 2, OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover Powder. This is the best value pick, and the testing numbers are remarkable. Big O Laundry spent 3 months testing 17 popular stain removers, and this powder dominated. It removed 95% of wine stains, 100% of coffee stains, and even lifted a week-old grass stain that testers assumed was permanent. The oxygen bleach formula is safe for colors and whites, works in any water temperature, and costs about 11 cents per load. A 3-pound tub runs $9 to $12 and lasts most families 3 to 4 months. Number 3, Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater. If you have kids, this one is essential. In testing against 30 common stains, Miss Mouth's achieved 90 to 100% removal on fresh food stains and 60 to 95% on stains that had already set for 2 hours. It's EPA Safer Choice certified, non-toxic, fragrance-free, dye-free, and biodegradable. The 4-ounce spray bottle costs about $10 and treats roughly 50 to 80 stains. It handles fruit juice, baby food, formula, ketchup, and even blood. Number 4, Carbona Pro Care Laundry Stain Scrubber. Good Housekeeping tested 37 stain removers, and Carbona took the highest score. It was the only product that completely erased ink stains and noticeably lightened red food coloring. The built-in rubber applicator lets you scrub stains directly through the bottle, and the bleach-free enzyme formula won't damage fabrics or ruin dyes. A 3-pack runs about $18. Carbona also sells a set of 9 specialized Stain Devils formulas, each designed for a specific stain category. It's a radically different approach from general-purpose removers, and it works. Number 5, Zout Triple Enzyme Stain Remover. This is the secret weapon for set-in stains. Zout's formula contains 3 different enzymes that simultaneously break down proteins, starches, and fats. It obliterated bacon grease and foundation stains that stumped other products. It works in cold water, which makes it safe for delicate fabrics, and the concentrated spray handles even dried-in stains with a single treatment. Number 6, Puracy Natural Stain Remover. For households trying to avoid harsh chemicals without sacrificing performance, Puracy has become the go-to recommendation among green cleaning testers. Its plant-based enzyme blend matched or beat several conventional sprays on grass, blood, and food stains in side-by-side trials, while skipping the optical brighteners and synthetic fragrances found in most mainstream formulas. It's pricier per ounce than OxiClean, but for anyone managing sensitive skin or fragrance allergies in the household, it closes the performance gap that natural products used to have. Number 7, Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. This one flies under the radar compared to the big brand names, but testers consistently rank it near the top for oil-based stains specifically. Its concentrated formula, applied directly and left for even just a minute before washing, cuts through cooking oil, motor oil, and makeup foundation, with a consistency the bigger sprays don't quite match. A small 2-ounce bottle lasts an enormous number of applications because so little product is needed per stain. Number 8, Rubbing alcohol used correctly as a dedicated ink and marker treatment. This isn't a bottled product with a brand name, but it deserves its own entry because nothing beats it for a very specific job. Dab isopropyl alcohol on the back of the fabric behind an ink or permanent marker stain, blot with a clean cloth, and repeat. The alcohol breaks down the dye without spreading it the way water does. Keep a small bottle in the laundry room specifically for this purpose. Separate from your general stain remover because it's a specialist tool, not a generalist one. Here's the most important takeaway from all of this testing. No single product handles every stain perfectly. The smartest approach is what experts call the 2-product strategy. Keep an enzyme-based pre-treater like OxiClean Max Force for fresh, targeted spot treatments. Keep an oxygen-based powder like OxiClean Versatile for soaking set-in stains and brightening whole loads. Add a small bottle of rubbing alcohol for ink stains, and you've covered 95% of laundry challenges. And one final rule that matters more than any product you buy: never put a stained garment in the dryer. Heat from the dryer permanently sets stains into fabric. always verify the stain is completely gone before drying, because the best stain remover in the world can't undo what the dryer locks in. If this saved you money on products that don't work, subscribe for more breakdowns like this one and let me know in the comments which stain has been the hardest to beat so I can test it next.